Hi everyone, it is Fun Friday. I'm gonna make some birthday cupcakes today. They're just as good as the store-bought ones. Simple, easy recipe. Here we go. All right, so I just washed my hands and I'm gonna show you, it's like a hack on just a regular cake mix, okay? So all you're gonna do with this recipe is 1 vanilla cake mix, 1 pack of instant Jell-O vanilla pudding, 1 cup of sour cream. You guys trust me on this, please. 4 eggs. Half of cup canola or vegetable oil, half cup warm water. Stir with a wooden spoon for about 50 strokes. After about 50 strokes, it looks nice and smooth like this, and we're just going to use a teaspoon to put them in little mini cupcake trays right here that I've already lined with mini cupcake holders. Just mix out and put some raspberries in half of it because Santana wants raspberry cupcakes and vanilla cupcakes. Now, if you do this with a chocolate recipe, it turns out delicious. Make this dough raspberry batter, not dough. I'm just gonna literally just crush up a few fresh raspberries in there, and then I'll actually put crushed raspberries in the frosting and top it with a raspberry. Stir this in gently. These look delicious and they taste really good. With the fresh fruit, you oftentimes have to cook these like 1 to 2 minutes more, but these are mini cupcakes, so they only take about 10 minutes to bake. So Dalton saw me making cupcakes and said I need to make chocolate peanut butter too. So I pulled a little bit of the batter out, so it's in thirds now, and I'm gonna get a little crazy and make some peanut butter as well. This will be fun. Chocolate peanut butter, so add about a tablespoon of cocoa too. Here's gonna be really easy. Gonna use, I love cream cheese frosting. A box of cream cheese, which is 8 ounces, 1 cup, and then a pinch of salt. And I'm gonna add to that confectioner's powdered sugar. It's in for 10 minutes. Making the frosting. There you go. There is the cream cheese, pinch of salt, and let's start mixing it. Adding a teaspoon of vanilla to the adding the powdered sugar, and then I'll mix it on low because it can splatter all over the plate. I'm gonna let the first cup sort of mix in and then add the second cup. I'm getting these babies baked. There's the vanilla ones and there's the raspberry ones. I'm putting them on cute platters for her birthday. Now you can use just your knife, but I always use these bags and tips and frost with these, and I use a round tip. I'm gonna snip the edge. About right there. The round tip in there. Position it. Ooh, it went backwards. There we go. Squeeze it in. There you go. Get it down there. All right, and then I'm going to put the frosting. I didn't want to put too much powdered sugar in this because I'm going to split it off into thirds. Full of frosting, I'm going to put cocoa powder and peanut butter to make peanut butter chocolate raspberry frosting. I'm going to add crushed raspberries and a little bit more powdered sugar because it'll be too watery if I don't. All right, so I'm gonna just fill this bag with frosting. Notice how I curve it over first, curve it over my hand, and then I'll just squeeze it on really gently. So this is the raspberry frosting, and I'm just going, remember I had the round tip, just gonna squeeze a little dollop on each one, and then I'm gonna top these with a fresh raspberry. Raspberry ones all done. Now I'm going to go to the chocolate ones. Again, I'm just using my round tip, just right on top of it, a little dollop, and I'm going to top these with actually Snickers because Snickers has peanuts and chocolate in it. There we go. I just cut mini Snickers into fourths, and then I'm going to use those to top these. And just smash it into your frosting. Leftover chocolate frosting, I turned these into Twix. I found Twix and I cut those in half. And these are going to be Twix cupcakes. I just added a little bit of blue food, 1 drop of blue food coloring to this. And just gonna squeeze it on a little bit with that round tip I was telling you about, and put some little dots on some traditional birthday cake ones. So these are just the traditional birthday cupcakes right there. Okay, look what we have now. Out of one vanilla cake mix, we have Snickers chocolate peanut butter, we have raspberry cupcakes, we have Twix cupcakes, we have traditional birthday cake cupcakes.